Dear students, the next question from NEET 2017. The question is the question from oscillation chapter. See the question. A spring of force constant K is cut into the length ratio, that is 1:2:3. Then they are connected in series connection, and the new force constant is K dash. For series connection, new force constant is K dash, and they are connected in parallel. Then new force constant is K double dash. So the now question is, they are asking the ratio of K dash and K double dash. So first series connection and parallel connection force constant ratio. Okay, then how to approach this question? So we know that here the force constant K is coming and the length K and L will come. So we know generally that the force is directly proportional to the displacement. Okay, so we can say that F is equal to, that is the spring constant or force constant. Okay, here minus will come, then into L, because here it is always towards the mean position, that indication only the minus sign. So anyhow we need that force value, we can say that that is spring constant or force constant into the length. Okay, so this is the idea. So now let's take one spring. So now I take one spring here. This is spring. Okay, this is spring. Okay, so see that in this spring, the length of the spring is, we can say L. Then its spring constant, that is K. So KL is the force acting on the spring. Okay, so now according to our question, they splitted as, that is 1:2:3, that ratio. So for example, it is that one part, it is a 2 part, this is remaining 3 part. So 1:2:3. So this is 1:, here 2:, then 3:, total is 6. Okay, so total length is like 6. Okay, so now how we can say that? Listen. So 1:2, then 3. Okay, so now we know that here K into L, the total force value, we can say K into L. So like that, in the first part alone we can say, that is the first part alone, that is K1 into L1. Like that, in the second part alone, that is K2 into L2. Then the third part alone, K3 into L3. So first part, then second part, and third part. Okay, the total value we can say K into L. Okay, right. Now K into L is equal to K1 into L1. Okay, because this product value should be constant. Like that, then K2 into L2, like that, K3 into L3. Okay, right. So therefore KL is equal to, now let's come for L1. So first the L1 ratio is 1 part, totally 6, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, totally 6. Okay, so in sixth part, totally 6th part, so the first ratio is in what is it, 1/6 part only considered as L1. So we can write as, that is in totally 6 part, totally in 6, only one pieces only is considered as L1. So we can write, that is L1 divided by 6. Okay, sorry, L divided by 6. Then into K1. Okay, so totally 6 part. In that 6 part, only one piece. Okay, so that is, we know that is L by 6. Like that, the second L2 is 2 pieces. So that means 2/6 pieces of L. Then into K2 equal to the third one, 3 parts. So 3 divided by 6 of L pieces, then into K2. Okay, so therefore KL is equal to L by 6 into K1 equal to, here we can write, that is 1/3. So 3L 3 L, sorry, 1 by 3, sorry, that is L by 3 into K2. Like that here 1 by 2. So that is L by 2 into K3. Okay. Now see that in the all the equation L value will be cancelled. L value cancel. So the remaining term we can write K is equal to K1 divided by 6 equal to K2 by 3 equal to K3 divided by 2. Okay, so finally I can write here, that is K1 is equal to 6K, like that K2 is equal to 3K, like that K3 is equal to 2K. Okay, so this is the specific value of the force constant for each region. Okay, so now the first one, that what is it? It will be connected in series. So actually it will be connected in series means same thing only will come, like a K. So anyhow we have to prove that in series. Okay, in series combinations you know that is 1 by K dash, because K dash only represent the effective value of K, I mean effective value in the force constant. So 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2 plus 1 by K3. Therefore 1 by K dash is equal to 1 by K1. K1 value you know 6K, then plus 1 by 3K plus 1 by 2K. Actually this entire value should be is equal to K, because already it is in like a series only. Anyhow we can see 1 by K dash is equal to, so the LCM we can say that is 6K. Okay, so this is we can write 1K, sorry 6. So we can, so K is common, let's take outside. Okay, so 6, here 1 will come, here 1 will come, here 2 will come, here 3 will come. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. 6 by 6 will be cancelled. So I can get 1 by K dash is equal to 1 by K. So therefore K dash is equal to K. Because it is in series connection, we can get the same value, K value. Okay, so in series connection effective value is, that is a K value, that is a K. Okay, so like that, next see that in parallel. Okay, in parallel. So parallel we know that there is K double dash. K double dash is equal to K1 plus K2 plus then K3. It is a formula. Okay, it is a formula for series. That is a formula for parallel. Okay, so therefore we can write K double dash is equal to 6K plus 3K plus 2K. Therefore K double dash is equal to 6, 9, 11K. So 11K. So K double dash, that is a parallel also over. But now what is the question? The ratio of series force constant and parallel force constant. So we can write that is K dash east K double dash. K dash value you know that is K. Then K double dash value also you know that is 11K. So KK value will be cancelled. So answer is 1:11. So 1:11. So 1:11 it will be satisfied with option B. So option B the answer.